Hello, in today's video we will be doing a football tier list. You may think I never do football things, but I do. Sadly. Pablo. So, S I would think means success. A, I accept it. B is bad. C, actually, S at the bottom. S for sad. B for bad. D for decent. And C for cool. And A for amazing. Okay, so first we have the Cardinals. I do not know where to put this one. Well, I'm rating them by how much I like the team. I'll give them decent. I do like the Falcons. I'll put them in a C tier, and I am an Eagles fan if you didn't know that. And Baltimore, I'll give it a decent. Actually, I'm going to change the Falcons to a B for bad. Bills, I'll give them decent also. Panthers, I'll give them an S. Bears, actually no. I think we're going to do that instead. Bengals, I like them. Browns, I do not like you. Dallas Cowboys suck. Broncos are cool. Lions are decent. Oh my god, I skipped Green Bay Packers. I do not like you. So I'll put you there. Houston. Put you in bad. Colts, bad. Jaguars suck. Cool. Now I'm putting them in S. Chargers. Okay, I guess. I put it in decent. Raiders. I like the Miami Dolphins. Yeah. Patriots, I'll give an A tier. New York Giants. C. Cool. Well, since I live in New York, I have to put these both in A. And I love the Eagles, so I'm going to put them first. Yep. And because I live here, that's what I'm going to do. Actually, I like the Giants more than the Jets, though. So. Steelers, because they steal, I'll put them in B tier. That ain't that. B tier. Okay, Seahawks, they're good. San Diego, Buccaneers. I actually quite like the Titans, and I hate them. So yeah, this is it. And I'm going to make another one. Dang it. Why did I do that? What the hell is Anime Men? What should I look up, guys? Doors. I'm looking up doors. Okay, that's a lot. So since I'm making a game based off this, this is what I'm going to do. So S is what I'm going to put in the what a monster is definitely going to be like. A will put it in the game, but it doesn't have to be just like it. B is it's just like it, but we may not put it in the game. C means like there's a really low chance we're gonna put it in the game, but it fits really well with one of these monsters. But D, it's probably not coming. It's not coming in the game, and also, oh my god, what the hell? I'm in best. So yeah, I think honestly, I'll give him a B. We have to do those. Those are like Russian stuff. I think that's a C. Actually, I'll do an S. Oh yeah, that's gonna be our that's gonna be our bullet train. So yeah. Now this, I don't think we're gonna put him in. So this guy is in a sub. So we're gonna make subfloors, but maybe not. Okay, this skeleton. I don't know if his name's Bob or not. I forgot. So I think we'll leave an A. Leave a B for this one. Bramble. That's kind of going to be search, but we can make search a little bit different. Oh yeah, this is going to be like a side character, but he doesn't attack, so he won't be like the character, but he'll he'll be tiny and stuff. Curious light. I think we're only gonna make like a guiding light we're gonna put guiding light in this game, and we're actually putting figure in the game, but he's injured. So yeah. Sorry, I have the hiccups. Draco boxers. Now this one's gonna be hard. I will say we will definitely hope we put it in. Dread, no. Probably not. Dupe. Oh. Yeah, probably not. Oh god, please. Oh, not at all. Eyes. Not at all. Well, Bramble. Ice Lock is kind of like Seek, so I'm gonna count them both as the same thing. So we're just gonna put him in A. He won't look like him, but yeah. And we will definitely work on it. Oh yeah, figure in A, we're actually putting him in. Giggle, I don't think we will. But I definitely know we're probably adding Screech to something like Screech to the game. Glitch. Nah. I think if you wait in the door for too long, like where the door closes and void gets you, and sometimes glitch, you just die. So, Gloombats, I actually don't know about this. This is going to be a hard one. I'll give it a B. Okay. Now, him, he's really kind of a side character, so now. Oh my god, my chair is making noises. Greed? No. Or actually, you start losing consciousness. So I'll give it an A. We may add him, or we may not. This is gonna be kind of like search. Oh yeah, we're gonna put him in S. Guiding light. We're gonna put him in A, or we're gonna do something else. Halt. We'll try. Haste. No. Hide. Yeah. I think we'll give this one an A. Jack. No. He's gonna be in super hard mode, like how Doors made it. So, yep, we're gonna do that. And Jeff, no. We won't be seeing Jeff. What the And we have Jeff the Killer here. No, we'll not add him. Since this is literally figure, put him there. Look, man, I don't think we'll add the Look Man. Nah, Ratatouille. Oh my God, I have the hiccups. Him. So, oh dang it, no. We have a lot of D tiers. Something like him, we'll give it an A. I think we may add him. This, he's gonna be in super hard mode also. Queen Grumble. Actually, yeah. Grumble is gonna be like the really small guys, and Grumble is gonna be the really big guys. So, now that I say that, I'm gonna put him in D. This guy is gonna be super hard mode, another bullet train. Bob, no. 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 Yes. We'll add something kind of like Rush. So yeah, we'll be sure on that. We'll add something like Screech. I don't think so. Yeah, we'll add something like him, I said. This would probably be the final chase in the last game we make, so I'll actually put that in an S. And Sally, no, I don't think we're gonna add something like you. Nope. Yes. No. No. Okay. Now this. I don't think so, but yeah, we'll put it in a B. We may add it or we may not. Nope. 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 We will add a humanoid creature who is named Thurks, so we'll put that in an A. Timothy. Nah. I don't know what this is, so I'm just gonna put it here and here. Now this is my list. I hope you like it. Anyways, get me to about 50 likes. What is this? Okay, so if you get me to 50 likes in how about 2 months, I'll release the release date of the Abandoned Railroads. By the way, that's the name for the abandoned train tunnels. So if you get me to that if you get to 50 subscribers in 2 months, I will post it early, and also post this. I'll post this. If you get me to 10 subscribers tomorrow, I'll upgrade this and post it tomorrow. So I hope you have a good time.